Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is percentage yield, what you actually got over what you should have got, times 100. By the end of this video you'll know how to calculate it, why it's nearly always under 100% and what affects it. Percentage yield is the actual mass of product divided by the theoretical maximum mass times 100. The theoretical maximum comes from the balanced equation, assumes all reactants react cleanly. The actual mass is what you measure on the balance after your reaction. Three things. 1. Find the theoretical yield from the balanced equation and moles. 2. Measure what you actually got. 3. Losses come from incomplete reactions, side reactions, products lost during transfer or filtering and drying steps. Common slip. Getting a yield over 100% and not questioning it. You can't get more than what's theoretically possible. If you do, your product is impure, wet, or you measured it wrong. Always sanity check yield values. Quick example, theoretical maximum yield equals 20 grams, and you actually made 16 grams. So your percentage yield is 16 divided by 20 times 100 equals 80%. A solid yield in a school lab, losses of around 20% are completely normal. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond the video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in every subject, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.